Masiqhubeka nayo imigubha yosuku lwentsha. Sekuqhamukeke imibono ehlukene phakathi kwezizukulwane ezehlukene zabantu abasha nabadala mayelana nokubaluleka kokubungazwa kosuku okwaqhamuka ngalo izibhelu abafundi bebhikisha ngo-1976 obengokuka-50 kulo nyaka. Yizeka abanye bethi lolu suku luyisikhumbuzo esisemqoka sokuzidela kwentsha ka-1976, kepha-ke abanye bathi kalisahambisani lolu suku nempilo ebhekene nabantu bakuleli lapho-ke bekhala khona ngokwentuleka kwentsha noma ngathi-ke ngokwentula kwentsha amathuba omsebenzi okungaphezu ka-30%. Iningi lentsha lishaya-ke ikhwele lokuthi kuguqulwe uhlelo lwezemfundo kanye nokutshalisisa ekwakheni amathuba omsebenzi njengoba kikholelwe ekutheni ukwenza lokho kungaba yiyona ndlela yokubungaza ubuqhawe buka-1976.
In our high school specifically, I attended Coronationville High School then. The old South African flag was actually burnt. And so a lot of the students there were fighting for freedom. And if I consider how they lost their lives, and now 50 years later, we were supposed to be very, very far with freedom. But I'm not so sure if our youth, our children, is experiencing what we've experienced. We fought for it, but 43% of youth unemployment is appalling for me. And that is why I'm here in support of the youth. And just support them in what they are going through.
Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi noma sekufika another generation but ingakhohlwa ukuthi imvelaphi yokulwela izwe lethu ikuphi lapha eqale khona kulabo abahambile baka 1976 isikhumbuzo sethu nabo ukuthi sisaqhubeka lolu suku namhlanje sisaqhubeka nokulugubha futhi. Siyacela kakhulu ukuthi economy eningizimu Afrika ikwazi ukuzimela iningizimu Afrika ingadepend emazweni amanye ngaphandle ngoba lokho kusenza ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi sizimele. That is why ubona ne-unemployment i-very high ngalendlela kungenxa yokuthi into zonke asikwazi ukuzenzela nokumanufacture kufanele size siye kwamanye amazwe noma okunye kuye kwamanye amazwe. Uma singakwazi sibe i-independent ye-country kungaba ngcono kakhulu. Umlayezo wami for intsha uthi abaqhubeke bafunde. Imfundo isona sikhali sabo konke kuyoqhubeka kuyophumeleleka uma ngabe befundile ngoba isikhathi sanamhlanje imfundo.
Mara ngijabula bese ngiyiza cause bengifuna into ezifana nalezi platform eso. Yabona manje sijabulile siyouth sigcwele but then we don't have nothing. You can give me this pamphlet. What if I don't know how to read English? Unemployment. Bazokutshela nje ukuthi okay, qeda matric uyaqeda matric. Bese kwenzakalani? Why don't something like this zenzakala esikolweni sisafunda baze yabona amatende lapho isikole nesikolo sinama ground ema-groundini during your matric time benze so it will be easy for you ma uqeda isikolo ukuthi wenzeni ungenelele. Ugovernment mela yenza into eyi-1 ikolo iyouth mawuza endaweni eziso iyouth maybe is 10% ezile la mara 90% isestradini 90% isesikolweni egela eyikolweni mamso eyikolo yabo la matende la ufuna ukubona agcwele amajacket wesikolo